What's good, people? Man like Jamo, electric car thing, innit? So, I got approached by this company called And Charge. Funny enough, they actually hollered me last year and they were telling me that they got this application on the smartphone thing where you do little challenges and they give you free charge. Now, last year, or in the last 2 years, it's only been £3 to charge my little Honda E. But now, in this current electric and gas crisis, it's costing me £12 upwards. So I'm looking for any way possible I can charge my car on the cheap or for free. So let's have a little look at what their app is saying and get things popping, innit? Okay, now you guys know I have to give you the propaganda before we go any further. So let me show you how the thing works here. Obviously, you make a new account with AndCharge, and then there are 2 more steps before you're living life. First step is earn kilometers. Now, kilometers are the in-app currency. Ironic, I know. And you earn those kilometers through making purchases online through specific retailers or by doing challenges in the application itself. And the challenges are what we're going to go into in this video. Second step is you redeem the points that you've earned. You redeem the kilometers on specific online retailers or on electric charging vendors, fam. Pretty much simple. But that's the theory, innit? Let's see how it actually works. All right. So here what, man's gonna go to the challenges section, and I've got a meter right next to me, right over there actually. There's a little meter there. So what man's gonna do is I'm gonna go onto this thing. It says rate the Source London charging station, innit? So cool. Was it easy to park? Yes, it was, because man's parking right next to it. Take a picture of the charging station. Okay, let me go take a picture of the charging station now, innit? Okay, man's taking a picture. There we go. We love to see it. Okay, so I'm just gonna upload that. Man uploaded it. It's now asking me to take a picture of the car park, including the markings. Now, there ain't really a car park here, so I guess I'll just take a picture of this electric vehicles only sign. I don't know if you guys can see that on the camera, but yeah, man, I'll take a picture of that. There we go. Let me do the wide angle thing. Yeah. Okay, boom. Man's got the little preview there. I don't know if it's focusing, if it's even focusing on that. There we go. We'll have to see it. So ask me the next question. How would you describe the condition of the T1 plug? Is there a T1 plug? Oh, the plug. Okay, let's check out the plug. Mad. Yo, this snow though. Okay. I guess the plug's looking all right. I'm gonna say it's looking all right. Wait. It was at this exact moment in time that I came to the realization that this charging point did not, in fact, have a T1 charger. But we move. I'm gonna say it looks okay. I mean, the plug looks like it's pluggable. So yeah, for me, it's okay, innit? How would you describe the condition of the display? Is there a display on this? Is there a display? I guess this is the display. It looks kind of new. I guess, is this the display? If that's the display, then that looks kind of calm. I'm not gonna lie. I was gonna say it looks nice still. Are there any other anomalies at the station or the immediate surroundings which the operator must check? Not really. It says electric vehicle recharging point only up there. Everywhere else on the road is permit holders. So yeah, I mean, just watch out for the ice right now because we're trying not to die, you get me? Do you see any major cleaning issues? Cleaning, there's a couple of cobwebs here still, fam. That might affect your charging, innit? Apart from that, it's calm. Wow, they're really going into detail in this thing. Was the station already occupied when you arrived? No, it wasn't. Was you able to charge? Yes. How did you start your charge? Please specify what medium you used to start the charging process. Scan the QR code. How would you describe the charging experience? Yeah, it was okay. Wasn't too bad. Man plugged it in, plugged it out, no issues, innit? Please describe what could have been better or what wasn't satisfying. Nothing really. I would have just said it would have been easier if it just had the contactless payment thing directly on the thing itself, so I could just go scoop and boom without having to scan the QR code, get the app and do all of that kind of nonsense, innit? Is there anything else you'd like to share with us? No, I'm good. Complete the challenge. There we go. So I completed the challenge now. You have mastered the challenge and earned 10 kilometers, fam. So boom. I don't even know what 10 kilometers in miles is. Is that like 6 miles, I think? 100 kilometers is 60 miles per hour. So 10 must be 6, I'm assuming. Anyway, let me just check something. Right, so for me to get £5 worth of charge from Electric Universe by Octopus Energy, I need to get 75 kilometers. So that means I got to do more of these chargers before I can get any money. So I'm gonna catch you guys in a sec. All right, people. So, location 2, we're out here. Let's see what going on, innit? Okay, so boom, go into there, go into, okay, and then it starts asking you questions. So it's pretty much simple, easy to park, take a picture of the charging station, 3, 2, 1, boom, that's done. Let's see how fast we can get this actually done now. Yep, upload that picture. Was it easy to park? Take a picture of the car parking area. Oh, it's a bit hard to see now because obviously it's a bit icy. You can just about see the electric vehicle sign here, but maybe if I go to wide angle mode, take a picture like that. There we go. We love to see it, fam. I'm gonna upload that. Yeah. There we go. Now there's not that because it's only the type 2 thing, so we don't have that at the station. There's not really a screen on this station. Let me see. Yeah, look. This station doesn't really have a screen. It has kind of charging indicators, but not really a screen. But I guess these things count as a screen. So I'm gonna say they're working because they look like they're working to me. Display works perfectly. Everything is flawless. No, everything is fine. No, the charging point was not occupied when I got here. There we go. Were you able to charge? Yes. How do you start your charge? Scan the QR code again. I'm very satisfied. There we go. Next and next. Complete challenge. Boom. 10 more kilometers, fam. Oof. We are a couple of steps closer to that free charging. Okay, that's all good. That's all good. Now, I think we got a couple more minutes of daylight. Let's go see if we can get one more charger in it, and then let's start redeeming some free charge. Okay, Source London charger number 3, charging location 3. Yeah, this is the kind of Source London charger I'm used to. It looks a little bit beaten up, I can't lie. It looks a bit rough around the edges. Yeah, Source London app thing. I'm gonna go to rate this station right here, so it actually finds the stations that are closest to you, and I'm gonna go answer the questions as per, see what I go on in it, and I think that's about it. So let me just complete this challenge, and we should get challenge completed. Okay, whew. Now I'm gonna go home because it's hella cold out here, and we'll have a little look at redeeming some of these points to go and charge later on. All right, next day, people them. So now that we've actually got some points earned in the app, let's try and see what we can redeem them against. There you go, you guys can see it now. So I'm not gonna lie, they haven't really got much to redeem them for at the moment. You can use 60 kilometers for £5 off at Amazon, 222 kilometers for £15 off at Apple. Can you guys see that there? Yeah. You could even give some of your points away, but what I'm interested in is redeeming the points on Electric Universe by Octopus. That's another app basically which has tried to tie in most of the charging stations under one account. So you get one card from them and you can use it on Ionity, you can use it on this station, you can use it on that station. That's what we're going to try use today, innit? Now I'm hoping as Ancharge get bigger, you're going to start being able to use your points directly on the chargers that are in the UK. So hopefully in the future, when you get a couple of points, you can press the button to ultimately and immediately redeem them on like a Source charging point or like a BP Pulse charging point, something like that, innit? So this is the Electric Octopus Energy app thing. As you can see, I've already made my account. So let me go back to the Ancharge app, and we're gonna just redeem some points and redeem them on the Octopus Energy app. So let's redeem this now. I'm gonna redeem that. Yeah, confirm, copy the code. Okay, so the code was copied. Now I'm gonna go to my Octopus Energy, redeem a code. Let's put the code in. There we go. I think that's the code there. I'm gonna just press submit, and hopefully I should get this credit towards my charging. There we go. Your credit is being added. You can use this credit towards charging your app or your electric card, blah blah blah. It can take about 24 hours. Okay. Alright, so according to the Electroverse app from the guys at Octopus Energy, these chargers here, these Source chargers, don't know if you guys can see that. Can you guys see that? Yeah, there you go. These Source chargers should be compatible with the app, so let me try and go get some free charge. Right. Hey, we've got some free charge popping off, guys. We love to see it. We love to see it. Yeah. That's charging. Just got a notification to say that my car started charging. Everybody's happy, fam. Everybody's happy. Yeah, look at that, guys. This and charging app business, it looks simple, it looks easy, like I don't have any issues, fam. Literally, all I've done is open the app, found my closest challenge, which was literally go to a couple charging stations, take a few pictures, and just tell people about the general quality of the charging station itself, get points for doing that, and then redeem those points for free electric charging. What more do you want? What more do you want? And like I said before, that's just one way you can earn points to get free charges for your car. There's a whole section of online retailers, and especially these Christmas times, all those Christmas purchases have been giving me free points and I'm living. Is the app perfect? No, but I'll tell you why. Now, I know you can get everything you want in life on Amazon, but I personally would like to see a lot more online vendors and options for redeeming my kilometers against. Matter of fact, if you guys have got some online vendors you can think of that you'd like to see, put it down in the comment section below. Another thing that would make it perfect for me would be if when you get the kilometers, you can redeem them immediately on the charging stations that you normally use without having to use a third-party app. The Octopus Energy app is good, it does work, but I know a lot of people that are not technically minded don't want to use another app to help them redeem something from the first app, you get me? I just think it would be a lot more seamless in that way. But that's just my 2 pence. Let me know what you guys think about the app and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Big shout out to Ancharge for sponsoring. Bless.